Hi there friends, welcome to MarielBeads and Beyond. Today we are going to review the September Treasury bag, and sadly this is the last Treasury bags that I'm going to be reviewing for the Potomacbeads. I still had to make two videos, the August and September, so you're still gonna see two videos for the Potomacbeads, so let's get started. As you can see, this Treasury bags is called Spice Market, and these are the materials that you're going to find in these bags. We have this disc bead and a color jet. In the back, they don't have any design, but in the front, they have this pretty design. We have these Toho seed beads. When I started beading, I started using Toho. Then when I started selling beads, I switched to Miyuki. But I really love Toho beads. They're really pretty. They are slightly larger than the Miyuki. We have some ABBA beads. We have some star beads, and these ones I'm going to use them like for keychains. I will not use them for a necklace. I mean, they will look pretty for a necklace, but I'm gonna use them for keychains. We have this measurement. I do a lot of sewing, so this comes very handy for me, and also for your bracelets. We have these curved tubes, and they are 37 by 2 millimeters. For these ones, it'll be nice like bangle. I don't think I'll have enough for a bangle, but we'll see. We also received these tile beads. I love this color. It's very pretty. We have these strands, and this and the tile beads match, so I can probably make something with these beads. Also, these are really pretty. We receive heart beads. We have 3 branch 14 by 18 millimeter, and these are metal charms. I think this will look pretty like earrings, and if I can put like some color and some resin, they will look pretty. I also received some brown trio. I need to come up with a project for brown trio beads because I have a lot of them. This came in the previous box. I also received some 6 millimeter, and these are in a color and topaz color. Oh, I like this one's 6 millimeter peridot gold wash. This is very pretty. I gotta think, what can I use them with? I also have these glass disc beads. This glass mix. Four millimeter round beads, and we received some 4 millimeter round beads. I can already see a lot of fall colors. This is pretty. So I hope you guys find this video informative, don't forget to visit the Potomac Beads company. Until next time.